it is given to solve the first order linear differential equation 2r plus 2r cot theta plus sin 2 theta d theta is equal to 0 by the method of integrating factor. So here the variables are r and theta. So rearranging the equation, dr plus 2r cot theta plus sin 2 theta d theta is equal to 0. So taking the derivative of r with respect to theta, so derivative of r with respect to theta plus 2r cot theta plus sin 2 theta will be equal to 0. So derivative of r with respect to theta plus here 2r cot theta you can write like this, r into 2 cot theta, that will be equal to sin 2 theta you can take out to the right hand side, this will be equal to minus sin 2 theta. So see, this is equation number 1. And the general form of first order differential equation, we know that it is in xy form, it is derivative of y with respect to x plus py, that is equal to q. And in terms of r and theta, you write it derivative of r with respect to theta plus pr, that is equal to q. Suppose this is equation number 2. So if you compare equation 1 and 2, then value of p will be equal to 2 cot theta and the value of q will be equal to minus sin 2 theta. So I have written here that comparing equation 1 and 2, p equal to 2 cot theta and q is equal to minus sin 2 theta. Now we will find out the integrating factor. The integrating factor in terms of x, y, we know the integrating factor is integration of p dx, that is the integrating factor. But here the integrating factor is the integration p d theta. So integrating factor you can write e to the power integration p d theta. So e to the power integration p value is 2 cot theta into d theta, that is equal to, you can take 2 outside. So integration of cot theta d theta, and the integration of cot theta is log sin theta to the base e. Because if you find out the derivative of, you see, log sin theta with respect to theta, this will be equal to 1 by sin theta, because derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x and derivative of sin theta is cos theta, this will be equal to cot theta. That means the integration of cot theta will be equal to log sin theta. So integration of cot theta d theta is equal to log sin theta to the base e. So this will be equal to m log n, means log m to the power n. In the same formula you can write here log sin theta square. So log sin theta square to the base e, e to the power log sin square theta to the base e, that means equal to sin square theta. So the integrating factor is equal to sin square theta. Now we find out the solution of the first order linear differential equation. As we know, the solution in terms of x and y, the for integrating factor method is given by y into integrating factor, that is equal to q, integration of q integrating factor dx plus c. So this will be the solution of first order linear differential equation in terms of integrating factor. So in terms of r and theta, we write r into integrating factor, that is equal to integration of q into integrating factor into d theta plus c. So r into the integrating factor, we have found out sin square theta, that is equal to integration q, we have found out minus sin 2 theta, and integrating factor is sin square theta d theta. Integrating factor is sin square theta, then d theta plus c. So sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta, then sin square theta d theta plus c. So if you solve it, this will be equal to sin square theta again sin theta, sin q theta, cos theta d theta plus c. And if you find out the integration of sin q theta, cos theta d theta, this will be equal to sin 4 theta divided by 4 plus c. So this will be equal to, here you have 2 4, so this will be equal to minus sin 4 theta divided by 2 plus c. So if you solve the equation, this will be equal to r sin square theta, that is equal to minus sin 4 theta divided by 2 plus c. So you can take sin square theta to the right hand side and write the solution for r, or you may write like this: 2r sin square theta plus sin 4 theta. You multiply here 2, so 2r sin square theta plus sin 4 theta is equal to c. So in this way you can solve the equation for first order linear differential equation in terms of r and theta. Thank you.